Hello and welcome to Solidworks Station. My name's Stuart, and in today's tutorial we're going to look at 5 simple SolidWorks hacks that's going to speed up your design time. If by the end of this tutorial you're struggling with anything, drop me a comment in the comment section below and I'll be more than happy to get in touch with you. Best of luck everyone, and let's get started. Okay, so here is hack number 1. In SolidWorks, what I'm going to do, I'm in a front plane here. I'm just going to grab a center line, draw a center line straight down the middle here. And what SolidWorks can do is, if I draw several lines across here, let's say you know a diameter of a certain line that you want to do a revolve boss base with. But you don't know the radius. What you can do with SolidWorks is go to Smart Dimension for the end of this line to here. On this side you'll get an unknown radius value that you might not know. However, if you move your cursor over to the other side, you're going to get yourself a diameter. So very quick way, very efficient way of sketching, and then it holds that for the rest of them. It knows I want a diameter each time. So SolidWorks is automatically putting me in that situation each time I'm clicking on an endpoint. It knows that I want diameters and not radiuses. So there you go. There is hack number 1 from SolidWorks Station. Okay, here is hack number 2. Hack number 2, we've all done it. We've all been there. We've been on SolidWorks and all of a sudden, okay, we are in space and we have lost our model, lost what we're drawing. Really great way of finding this. Okay, press the letter F on your keyboard. Okay, you'll get a centralized view of where your model's gone. Control 7 now on your keyboard and you'll get an isometric view of where that's gone, and you can go through the numbers if you want. Control 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 will bring you back to a normal 2 view. That is the next hack from SolidWorks Station, using the F key and using the control and the number keys in order to look at different views. Okay, here is the next hack, hack 3 from SolidWorks Station. I'm going to go and visit my top plane. I'm going to go to sketch. Okay, let's say I was drawing a shape here that was 50 by 50. Okay, and then I wanted another shape, center rectangle, here that was 60 by 60. Okay, I then go to features, extrude boss base, and I want to extrude this region here that I've got selected and extrude that by 10 millimeters. Okay, let's say that that is the shape that I want to create. I'm going to show you a really quick method to do this using the extrude thin feature. So I'm going to delete this. I'm going to delete the sketch. And I'm going to get the same result by going into top plane, normal to, sketch, sketch a center rectangle from here, sketch it out. Okay, and I'm going to smart dimension this up, 50 by 50. And then from here, really simple, features, extrude boss base, click the thin feature, put in a 1 direction and 10 mil wall, and green tick. You get exactly the same result. That is hack number 3 from SolidWorks Station. Okay, here is hack number 4 from SolidWorks Station. I'm going to show you a long way of doing something, and I'm going to show you the short way using the hack. So I'm going to go in a front plane. I'm going to sketch. I'm going to get a center line. I'm going to draw it down here like so. I'm going to draw some lines, and let's say I want to mirror this over to the other side. What we have to do, I've got it on my shortcut key, so I'm going to press the S key. I'm going to go to mirror. It asks me to entities to mirror. I'm going to select these points here, hold down control, deselect that one, and my mirror about is going to be this line here, and green tick. Okay, that's the long way of going about it. I'm now going to show you the SolidWorks hack way. So we're going to go into a center line. We've still got to draw our center line down. However, once I've drawn this center line down, let me just turn that to construction. Okay, once I've drawn this line down, I'm then going to click on it. I'm going to press the S key on my keyboard and choose this one, Dynamic Mirror Entities. Okay, if that is not there, you've got to right click, go to Customize, and you've got to go to the shortcut bar, go to Sketch. Here is my palette when I use the S key, and just literally drag this symbol which is here, drag it and drop it onto your palette. Okay, like so. Once you've done that, you can then go and get a line, and whatever you draw on this side will automatically get mirrored onto the other side. That is hack number 4 from Solidworks Station. Okay, and here is the final hack. I know I've been here when I was a beginner at SolidWorks. I got into this situation here where I wanted to close this line off to this point, okay, and I was struggling what to do. I knew that this line was in the right place, and this line needed to be moved. Okay, how I would have done it when I was first starting would be probably to move this line maybe down. I would have probably started again in some points. I would have then gone to trim. I would have gone to trim to closest, and I would have had to trim this up like so. However, let me take you back to here. We're going to still go to trim entities. This time we're going to go to corner. We're going to click on this line, click on this line, and there you go. That is the last SolidWorks hack from SolidWorks Station, and I hope that's going to be useful in your projects. If you're a beginner just starting out on SolidWorks, those are essential things to know just to speed up your design time. Thank you very much. My name's been Stuart. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you again for some more SolidWorks Station tutorials and maybe a few more hacks along the way. Thank you very much, and goodbye.